Hi, Paul with MarineMax of Houston. I'm on board the brand new 2020 326 Grady-White. What an exciting new model we have for this year. Much longer than before, much wider than before. Check out the twin 300s on the back. These actually have the Helm Master joystick drive, which we'll get to shortly. Got a nice fish box in the back here. 2 live wells on this boat. So you can keep your bait and your fish separate if you want. Huge one here, but even a much larger one right here. We've got a nice freshwater spigot here for your bait prep. Great tackle storage for your terminal tackle in whatever lures you want to take that day. Check out these nice lockable stainless steel tackle drawers here. Gives it a great finish. Got another freshwater spigot here. Freshwater and raw water right here. Lots of rod holders. You fishermen are going to love this boat. It's got lots of rod holders all over. It's even got rod storage in the sides. Check out this oversized hardtop. Get the LED spreader lights. Another advantage to the huge beam on this boat are the triple helm seats. Everybody gets a nice comfortable helm seat with a leaning post and alternate footrest. These are adjustable as well. Here's the Helm Master system we were talking about earlier. Great joystick controls, really easy to pinpoint this boat, but you can also hold your position when you're fishing. At MarineMax, we do custom rigging on any kind of electronics you might want. No matter what the brand, we do custom installs, and we can do you a really good job and make sure you're able to find those fish and have your radar and GPS and everything else you need, even cameras. Moving forward, this boat has an exceptionally large head and shower compartment. Freshwater again, nice head system. We've got some lockable rod storage down here as well. Also, due to the beam of the boat, we've got an extra wide removable shade here in the front. Check out this lounge area. Now, of course, all of these seat cushions can be easily removed and reveal just the non-skid fishing compartment, or fish compartments and non-skid fishing deck underneath. This boat's good for doing just about anything you could want to do in any kind of sea conditions. Grady-Whites are all known for their great ride and their safety. This boat's guaranteed to catch you some fish too. Come check out this model and all the other new models here at MarineMax of Houston. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.